Alright, so now it's 8 o'clock right on the dot right now, and let me just brush this thing off the face before. I wanted to catch the 8 o'clock right on the dot, so I didn't bother to the stuff and everything. So anyway, it's 8 o'clock right on the dot, bedtime. So does this look like a sleeping man? It's like the guy sleeping. I know maybe I should just talk like this, and so we'll probably just do the video like this just for the sake of it, just so that we don't seem like we're just completely incompetent. We can't even accomplish such a mission like that. And so basically you see the full thing. So just go maybe just go like this, and maybe even and so we just record the video like this, just that way they'll say that oh, at least it is sleeping, he is sleeping, it is like half, whatever. No, that's not like that. Fact of the matter is, we're supposed to sit, we're sitting down now, so we're in bed basically. But really, I mean, we're not, obviously not. I mean, all the lights should be out and maybe recording this in the darkness or something like that. At what, 7, maybe recording this at 7:45. That would be the proper thing. But right now, if it's 8 o'clock at the dot and this guy's still, I mean, obviously. So what kind of thing is that, Make a little mission like that, mission, objective, sleep, fail. What do you think? So I don't even know what to say. And matter of fact, look at this, we just finished cooking. So I have this big pot of thing here to know, to really deal with right now. So what kind of thing is that? And when we said that was about 4 o'clock in the day, 4 o'clock. So there's a ton of time, and it's not like we're going out and do anything. We're just here, just right here, and we start cooking brilliantly at around 7:15, and then we finish cooking, and I don't even know. So you see, this is the kind of mentality I'm telling you about. This is the kind of thing, it's a simple objective. If you can't manage to sleep, then how can you manage to do anything? Like, I mean, anything whatsoever. Let me just give an example, like laundry, or go to a job and stuff. So I don't. If you just really consider that kind of thing, and it's just. That's all I'm basically saying. I mean, if you just look at that, and maybe I should just walk you through what I did from 4 o'clock until now. I was arranging some stuff and sorting out the drywall and starting to work and stuff, and I walk back and forth, and doing this and that and whatever. And I still remember about the 8 o'clock thing, but just doing this and that, and so and so on. And 7 o'clock, let's cook. And then we start cooking, 7:15 instead. Even though we saw the time at 7 o'clock, I said, we should cook at 7 o'clock. Maybe not cook at all. And tools out there, we didn't even wrap up the tools for the night, because 8 o'clock, we must be sleeping now. So we just left the tools. I was we're going to record the video and say, we didn't even wrap up the tools. We just had to do this stuff. But still, it's 8 o'clock, and we still, and the phone battery wasn't charged up, because phone battery was minimal, and instead of charging the battery, we didn't charge the battery, so now you have to get it up to a certain minimum before it can record. And so now we were just waiting, sat down at around 7:55 to record the video. So it's 5 minutes to 8. Will I finish eat by this? Whatever, not even funny, right? And so that's what the plan was. But the phone needed a little bit, the phone needed some time to charge up, and and put. So we need to charge up the thing, and then. But it wasn't like any good like that. So we're gonna skip the thing there. So anyway, can't even think straight, think smart, and try to be clever and this and that. Just try and keep things simple. Whatever, I don't know what you think. Whatever satellite dish and all this stuff. I don't know. Just calm myself down. I don't know. Think it's smart or something. So anyway. So now it's 8 o'clock because it needed more time to charge up. So we're just looking at this now and saying, what's up? What kind of thing is this? What kind of state the mission objective you think is some kind of sarcasm or some kind of sleep? Like some kind of that's so easy, anybody can just sleep. And so now we're seeing 8 o'clock, no sleep. So we don't understand. So objective like that, if you can't do that, what the hell can you do? I'm just saying that straight. Like, if you can't just, get all the free time in the world, no calls, no phone calls, no distractions, no nothing. even if you had distractions, what kind of distractions could that possibly be? If you just say 8 and then it's like you're not busy or or anything, you just be 8, and you can even if you're in the middle of working and you decide to just stop the work right away and then just go lay down and sleep because it's 8 o'clock, you'll be fine, and then you get up early and you could rearrange whatever you was doing in the night before. But whatever, still. So now it's after 8, we're gonna ramble on, and planning to review the videos tonight and all this stuff. And when we coulda, I don't even know what to say. Like coulda, woulda, don't even count one bit in any regards to any respects to anything whatsoever that you could imagine or could be possible or could maybe would have been imaginable. It doesn't even count, because you just have to say simple thing like that. We say around 4 o'clock. We didn't know it was 4 o'clock, but we knew it was early because it was still sun up. So it was really early, and the sun sets early. So with that, so we said, 8 o'clock, let's go to sleep. Mission objective, dun 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 dun. And look, we're still just not that mission, such a simple thing. So how are you gonna do a waking mission? How are you gonna do? You can't accomplish that. And we said it's not like we're drunk when we said it. It's not like we're half asleep in bed and I have to get up at 8 and trying to wake up and a bit dozy, just hit the snooze button or something. No, fully awake, wide awake, looking around, say it's at 8 o'clock, talking, making conversations on the camera, and and still. So imagine how if you can't go to sleep early. This is one of the things I said in the past before, to myself a long time ago. If you can't go to sleep on time, there's no possible way you're going to be able to wake up on time if you need to. So that's just one thing, and that's a straight fact, because it's easy. So easy, you're in full control of everything, and your faculties and everything. When you're going to sleep, you decide when, and so even someone tell you don't want, you tell them to shove off, and you just still sleep. But if when you're in sleeping, then you're in some kind of dreamy state and everything. So it's not really even. Really, you could say, it's up to you to actually do. But so that's one thing. So if you find yourself not waking up early or whatever, not giving no advice or anything like that, if I find myself not waking up early, then you just ask, am I able to go to sleep on time? You just put that challenge in the night. So just say some arbitrary stupid time on the night when you have nothing to do. 6 o'clock. Ridiculously early. What the hell would I go to bed at 6 o'clock? Just put that challenge at one night. Say, can I go to bed on time? And then if you see you fail or pass that test, if you even 6:01 and you're coming from the bathroom at 6:01, or if you're doing some stupid trivial little small thing, reading through the final little page of a book, or just skimming through this and that, reading this stuff up. Even if you find yourself doing that at 6, 5:59, and then it's 6, and then it's it was 6:01. But I was already laying down. Doesn't count. You need to be just laying down and then actually, but it doesn't. So that's just that, and I have to ramble for 10 minutes about it. Because that's a big deal. It's a huge deal. As we have to amplify that deal a big time, because that's we don't really understand what that is. That's not just some silly little trivial thing. That's a major thing. When you look at some, especially when you're in some homeless state and condition and stuff like that. Why, that kind of thing is just it. So if you say, I want to finish that house in 2 weeks, so if you can't, go to sleep in 2 hours, what the hell, so, and that house is some big complicated stuff with all kind of stuff and all kind of different issues and branching off issues and different branching issues, people wanting this, different relevant stuff, needing to be sorted out and all this stuff, and have to made orders and all this stuff and all this stuff. Whereas a sleep is just one simple little thing, it's not a big complicated task, or you don't have to get no logistics or nothing like that, no stupid thing like that. What the hell, you understand what I'm saying, right? You don't have to order no material or any stupid thing. So that's just the thing, just to show crazy, stupid homeless mentality. And just how everything is, decide to go to work and then couldn't go to work, and truck start, we're ready to go, but this and that, and then still talking about the same stuff, and then still, and even still after, even regardless of even still talking, and you understand what I'm saying. So that's just it. And that's just what I'm saying. I might just, crumple this camera up and, just put the sledgehammer to it. And, that's just the end of this. But no real strong emotions like that. I'm just saying, sound like the appropriate, thing like that. No, for real. I just, no real strong emotions might sound like it, but I'm just saying, what the hell, man. That's just that. I'm just gonna head to sleep right now. And, that's about it. I don't even think about editing videos or this or that. Right about now, we're just thinking about tomorrow. If I don't get up early, if I sleep and sleep in late, I won't even complain. I won't complain any bit, because I done set up midnight to sleep, and if you can't do that, then I won't really expect myself to be able to get up on time, and I won't even make no exertion of effort. If I happen to, then I happen to, but then I'm not gonna be trying to oh wow, 8 o'clock. If the alarm comes on and I hit the snooze button, I won't even put no kind of resistance to hitting the snooze button. I'll just hit this, whatever, if that's what I feel like. If I really feel like just genuinely getting up and going, and that's what I'll do. But, so that was just a little interesting thing. And that's all. I won't say much more right now, because I know it's probably going to be 10 o'clock before I go to sleep now, because I'm going to look over this thing, revise this and and finish eating, and so maybe lay down for a little bit and write this thing down and all this stuff. So that's about it.